Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Toyota Sienna. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 112,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include entertainment package, navigation package, premium package, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.